we are participating in this lubricant technical show in Pune, and I'm Munish Garg from Lube Technologies Private Limited, in the brand of ST KOOL. We are manufacturing all type of lubricants, industrial lubricants like cutting oil, semi-slurry cutting oil, specialty greases, cleaners, and all allied products. Purpose of exhibiting, as you know, to have the more coverage in different cities of India, to get more customers, to get more visibility of our brand. As you know that we are passing through a very tough time because of war. Supply chain disruption is already there. So you also know that necessity is the mother of invention. So this time we have come up with the semi-synthetic cutting oils which are using very lesser quantity of oil. So impact of the price war is not on that particular product, and giving the best and the best performance in the machines. It safeguards your machines, it give you better corrosion protection and give you the better supply. So better, we invite you, please come to our stall and have a look at our products. Thank you.